Hi, my name is Joan. So my midterm project is to analyze the Wi-Fi hotspots in your city. I've always been very interested in Wi-Fi hotspots in the city since the internet connections are people's daily life right now, and technology brings all kinds of the devices to our life. So the purpose of my project is to give a clear overview of which boroughs are well equipped with free hotspot and which ones are in a development. As we can see from the raw database, the Wi-Fi hotspot service are also categorized by actually three type. Free, limited free, and the other one is partnered. So the limited free means people can use the Wi-Fi for 3 10-minute sessions. So where did I get my data from? I got my data from the New York City open data. I have 1,278 entries in total. The attributes include type, boroughs, providers, names, locations, and also cities and IDs and so forth. There are several Excel features applied to my project. There are pivot table, pivot charts that you can tell from here, and then also created a dashboard. Um, and also I have a power map for my project to see the exact location. No, not this one. Sorry. I have a power map to see the exact location um, of those hotspots. You can see most of part of New York covered by blue and orange squares I will describe later. So let's talk about pivot table first. So pivot table allows me to recognize the raw data and correctly summarize the Wi-Fi hotspots in your city. There are all the numbers we have it here. We can tell there we have from here we can tell we have 1,278 entries, and on Taiwan cable they have 343, which is the largest providers in New York. I just give a very clear overview of the data you have. And besides the pivot table, I also created pivot chat for each of the table I have and collect them together in the dashboard. So as for the pivot chat, I like it very much for myself because you can just see very clear. Like from here you can see we have 54% of the Wi-Fi like hotspot, they're totally free, and 45% of them they're limited free. And also for this example, you can also tell from the chat that Manhattan has the largest number of the hotspots in New York, and the second is Brooklyn and Queens and Bronx and so forth. And third, I want to talk about is the dashboard. So besides the pivot chart, I created the slicers for some of the chat I have. For example, I created two slicers for the hotspots in New York by boroughs. If I click so the first one is about provider, and second one is about type. If I click a free on the side, we the chat will only show us the free hotspots in New York. And Manhattan still have the largest number of the free hotspots among all the boroughs. And also, if I want to see the free internet provided by AT&T, so we can see Manhattan has 12 of them, and Brooklyn has 7 of them, and Bronx has 3 of them. So just give a very clear overview, and also for this chat on hotspot nearby providers, we can tell that Tower and Cable has the most number, is as the largest providers, and the second is Cablevision, and the third is Transit Wireless. So if I want to see only Brooklyn Borough, so it just changes automatically almost the same time. So we can see Brooklyn on Cablevision owns on 117 Hotspot, and downtown Brooklyn and most of them there it has 100 of them. So there's a dashboard. Besides the dashboard, I also created a power map for my project. So these are three different colors. So the blue color square we can see from here, it stands for the free hotspot, and orange color stands for the limited free hotspot. And we barely can see the purple square, like here, one, two, three of them. One, two, two of them, they're here, like one is located in, I think both of them they're located in Manhattan. Yes, one is in Midtown or downtown that area. And also, so we can actually customize this data map, power map by the filter we have here. So for example, for now we have select all the boroughs, but if we want to only see the Brooklyn, the Wi-Fi hotspots in Brooklyn, we can just click it here. So it just shows automatically, very clear. If we want to see on the hotspot in Brooklyn provided by, I would say, downtown Brooklyn, so all of them we can see they're free. Just we can tell it from the data, all of them they're free, which is really amazing. I probably should move to Brooklyn then. So that is all about my project. So I would say the most useful on Excel features would be pivot chat with slicers, because it just visualize and summarize the data and also makes it very flexible while it provides user-friendly interface, which I think is very important for those who making the report and as well as for the audience too.